Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Grammarly affiliate account. First, open your browser and search for Grammarly Affiliate Program. Click on the official link. Here, you'll see an overview of the program and all the benefits of becoming an affiliate. Next, click the Join Now or Sign Up button. This will redirect you to Grammarly's affiliate partner networks such as Share a Sale or Rakuten Marketing. If you don't already have an account with these platforms, you'll need to create one. Now, complete the application form. You'll be asked for details like your website or blog name, how you plan to promote Grammarly, and your contact information. Make sure the details are accurate to increase your chances of approval. Once everything is filled out, click Submit. Grammarly's team will review your application, and if approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard. And that's it. That's how to create a Grammarly affiliate account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.